This is Motorola Moto G72, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to be never on this device. Alrighty, so the first step that you need to take is to launch the Google Play Store. Make sure that your smartphone is connected to the network, of course. Then at the search bar type in Caffeine, like I'm doing at the moment. In here you'll find this particular app which you want to get by tapping on this green install button. Once the Caffeine application gets downloaded and installed, all that it's left to do is to launch it and make sure that the timeout section over here has the infinite value set. And as long as you do not close the Caffeine app, leave it active in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.